Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have a case unboxing, and this is not a normal case. This is a lot smaller of a case, and this is going to be pretty awesome. So I was able to get a hold of a few of these. I will have this one as well as like another one on my merch store, so definitely go check that out. There's going to be a link in the description down below, and if you guys want to pick up one of these. But I also have a bunch of other Hot Wheels on there as well. I have a bunch of Hot Wheel main lines, especially with this most recent Q case that came out. And then I do case unboxings all the time. Take some of those duplicates, some of the extra cars that I have from the case unboxings, and I do put the cars on my website. So there's a lot of up-to-date cars, but there's also some ones that have been out for a little while. So if you guys have missed out on certain cars, I do definitely have a bunch on there. I also do have Hot Wheel premiums with some like Fast and the Furious cars and some other ones, as well as some Hot Wheel monster trucks. So definitely link in the description down below. Go check that out. But let's go ahead and bust this case open right here. And they put a ton of tape on this. So we're going to go ahead and just cut through all that tape. There we go. And I was really excited when this came out because it got some pretty cool cars. A little piece of cardboard, but let me slide that out. And here it is. So we have a Hot Wheel Premium Fast and the Furious set, which looks absolutely amazing. I really love the artwork on that package. I think this looks really, really cool. And when you flip it around here, you can see all the different cars that are included. So we have the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, the Volkswagen Jetta MK3, 1999 Nissan Maxima, the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, and the Nissan Silvia S14. These are some pretty epic cars from the Fast and the Furious, and I am really excited to be able to bust this thing open and show you guys some of those cars. I will show you on the package here, we got different cars kind of going around the package, which I think is a pretty cool touch. But let me go ahead and cut the seals here on this. Always like to cut the seals nice and careful because I don't want to have it looking all jagged edges or anything. I want it to look nice and clean still. Alrighty. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and we're going to check these cars out. Wow, they look absolutely incredible. And if you guys don't know, they are already opened up. So they're not individually packaged. They are where you can just kind of like pull them out, check them out. So first up we got, wow, that is super heavy. But we got that Ford Lightning there with the eraser's edge there on the side. That looks really, really good. And especially those wheels look really nice too. Of course, because they're premium cars, they all have the Real Rider tires. But wow, that is absolutely incredible. Dang. Alright. Next up we got the Volkswagen Jetta, which this one looks really cool as well. This is one of my favorite cars from the Fast and the Furious. This is Jesse's Jetta there. And that looks so cool. And I really love the way the wheels look with that. All that attention to detail. Even has like a little silver bottom there. But I think that looks so cool. And these premium cars, like the quality of the paint is so much higher. The decals, like the detail is so much better. Even has like all the different like branding there on the back. I don't know if you can really see that very well. But that looks absolutely amazing. All the attention to detail on the grill there. Wow, that looks so good. But let me know down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. Because I think all these are just amazing cars from the movies. We got that Nissan there, which looks really good as well. And just like all the other cars, the attention to detail, especially with the decals, looks so good. It's like fresh right out of the movies. Man, that is just awesome. I love these. Oh, I really love this one, the R33. Wow, the detail on this is just incredible. And all of these have so much weight to them. Like, I know they're Hot Wheel premium cars, but they just feel like extremely heavy. Wow, I really love that. Like, that looks so cool. And all the attention to detail just looks amazing there. And this one actually has a painted bottom. The wheels look really good on that too. Man, I love the way that front end of the car looks. That right there is probably one of my favorites as well. And then we have that Silvia, which looks really, really nice. Dang. Yeah, this is a really nice set, and these cars look really incredible. And it's still really nice to be able to take them out, check them out, and it's not destroying the package or anything. Which, man, I really love these. This looks so nice. And then that one just has like a regular black bottom. But yeah, the detail and like all the decals and everything are so good. But yeah, let me know down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. And like I said, I really love this artwork. Let's go ahead and check that out again. Man, that looks so good. And these are like some of the cars from like the very first movie, some like the OG cars. And this is just absolutely amazing that they kind of did this set as like a really cool like throwback to some of like the originals. But I did say I'm going to have this one on my website. I'm actually not going to have this exact one on my website. I will actually have brand new unopened. So I do have 2 of these that are going to be available. I'm not going to have them opened whatsoever. But if you guys are interested, they will be on my website. It's going to be brand new. It's going to come in this case. I'm going to put that, wrap it in some bubble wrap, put it in like an actual shipping box. So it's going to have a bit of extra protection. And then it's going to have this all sealed up inside. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And also I have a bunch of other videos coming all the time you do not want to miss out on. So definitely hit that subscribe button. But as always, thank you for watching.